Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can change or customize cursor thickness on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, we need to go to our settings application, and after we have our settings application opened, we can find the accessibility setting. Click on this accessibility setting, and here we have some options, and we need to select the vision enhancement. Okay, and we can scroll down to find the cursor thickness, this one. Click on this option, and the cursor will look like this, and you can change it right here. You can go right to make it thicker, then you can go left to make it thinner, and I'm just going to make it thicker. Then now the cursor thickness has been changed, and the cursor will look like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can customize cursor thickness on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.